everyone, my name is Kati. I'm a makeup educator, and today we're going to share a college going look, an office look you can call it, or a very regular going look which doesn't have a lot of products in it. So without much delay, we are getting into the video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kati. I'm a makeup artist and educator. If you want to learn directly from me, you can DM me down here or connect me at my Instagram ID, that is kati.ksk_makeup, and I'll get you all the details regarding the online makeup classes. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For which I have used over here a toner. Now this is the toner that I have used. This is a green tea toner that is from Love Earth, and apart from that I have used my regular moisturizer. This is a gel moisturizer from Pond's, and in the last I have used an SPF. This is from Minimalist. I hope it gets captured. Yes. Okay, so this is something that I have done, and this has been a little while that I have done this. So yeah, towards the makeup, I am going to use a primer. Now again, if you might ask me, okay, come on, this is a very least you said, and you're going with a primer. Now this is my personal choice. If you want, you can skip it completely. So this is a primer that I'm using. This is from Lakme. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. So very little we want, and just covering, the very heavy areas where I have pores. You can once I have applied it, surfaces of course I can feel the smoothness, but when you compare the sides, you can see how it evens out the face. So here we don't have to massage it again, and taking very little quantity, we just have to spread this on our face with fingers, of course. So I am just doing that. So we just have to spread it. The surface becomes smooth, got mattified to a level. So that's it. So yeah, once that I have done, we don't have to give it a lot of time. It's a primer, so it'll get settled in 30 seconds. So after this, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty BB cream. This is actually in my shade, and my shade, I'll tell you, this is 05. You can go for a foundation. Now if you are a foundation person, go clearly with that, no problem at all. But of course, on a daily basis, who wants to use a lot of tool, right? So this is what I prefer. Like, even if I am shooting a video at home, or I have to pick my child from school, this I prefer. This is a very red color blush, cream blush. This is a cheek tint. This is from Swiss Beauty. It is very pigmented. Don't go by the color itself, but it is literally pigmented. So while you apply a blush, try to smile, so that when you're applying a blush, you don't go overboarded with it, or you don't miss the place where it has to be. You will smile and you can see this line, the natural contouring that comes. You have to apply it in that area. Like, if you want, you can spread it like here. So now the same shade, you can use it on top of your eyelid, completely your choice. So I'm applying a little bit at the outer corner and just spreading it inside. So this is what I am doing. Okay, so once I'm done with this, you can go with your eyebrows here, and also the eyeliner and everything that you want to go for. So yeah, here I have used the lash color, and the one that I'm using is from Mars, and this mascara gives amazing volume to your lashes in one go. And you see that? Look at the different lip tint on top of this, so that the color gets neutralized. And that's it. Now sometimes I feel, okay, come on, I should be using something on my eyelid. I mean, of course, this is all about the eyeliner. So if you want to know how to draw eyeliner, today we're gonna go and learn it. Like, you can take an angular brush like so. I've taken this black color, just on top of the lower lashes I am applying this. You don't have to bring all the way to the inner corner, just at the outer corner and a little mid part, defining it. If you feel the product is less, pick it and just extend it. Don't worry about whatever, because we haven't applied a lot of product over there. So yeah, it's fine, literally it's fine. And just pull the product in. That's it. You don't have to go. That's a very regular, you can call it a no makeup look, where we have applied products but very minimal. If you wish to add more product to it, like lipstick and all those things, you can surely go. You have to head to some party or somewhere, you can carry a lipstick which is a bold lipstick and just go on top of it. Like so. And that immediately changes the look from a very subtle morning look or a very subtle work look to something that you could carry even for a party. I hope this video was helpful. If you really like this video, give it a like and also hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and don't forget the bell button so that you get all my videos on time. Love you, take care, and see you soon. Bye bye.